A discussion about popular culture would be incomplete unless we talked about money. And we could easily do a whole program on money and gratitude, but there are three things that we want to cover. You may already know these or suspected them, but now you know there's research to support it. So money and happiness. Money does improve subjective well-being, subjective happiness, which is like state gratitude, but only up to a point. Beyond household income of about $75,000, money does not buy happiness. Research tells us that the mere thought of having more money makes us less likely to help others, less likely to donate to charity, less likely to spend time with others. And these are some of the most critical aspects that are associated with happiness. When you spend your money, you are more likely to buy happiness if you spend it on others. Based on a study of 632 households, researchers looked at spending as a percent of income, and they found pro-social spending on others, was the only significant predictor of happiness. Now think back to the cycle of gratitude. Spending on others is the equivalent of expressing gratitude, which feedbacks into you experiencing gratitude. It's like when Mom used to say, it's better to give than receive. Another study involving 186 adults with high blood pressure tracked their spending over a 2-year period and found those with higher percentage on pro-social spending, they had lower blood pressure. Based on a study of 1,500 participants, spending on experiences versus possessions, it improves your happiness. Buying experiences that you share with others improves happiness even more. And experiences are something that you can relive over and over again. In one group of researchers, they looked at reviews on Amazon and TripAdvisor. They found the reviews for experiences showed more gratitude than the reviews for tangible goods. On the other hand, some recent research has found that spending on possessions can bring happiness when it's done as an expression of our identity. When spending reflects our personality, is genuine in terms of who we are, it increases happiness. Think of a collection of some type, a musical instrument. When faced with too many choices in a purchasing decision, we're less satisfied with our purchase and have less overall happiness. Shoppers who had a choice of a couple variety of candles compared to shoppers who could pick from a couple dozen varieties. The shoppers who picked from just a couple candles, they were more satisfied with their purchase. Researchers believe that the buyers with a lot of choice focused too much on all the products that they didn't buy instead of the products they bought. Gratitude. Remember, gratitude is about focusing on what you have. Let's just talk a little bit about materialism. Materialism is the attachment to worldly possessions. It's an interest in getting and spending. Materialism is consistently linked to lower levels of happiness, lower levels of life satisfaction, more fear, more sadness. Researchers have determined this lower life satisfaction is mainly because of experiencing less gratitude. The good news is the empirical relationship between gratitude and materialism, gratitude like trait gratitude, this is that set point. Increasing the set point of trait gratitude reduces materialism. And we can teach and breed gratitude simply by taking up the habits we've learned in this program. That's it for today. We'll see you in the next video.